In the 18th century, a standard visit to the doctor was brutal. To rid a patient of disease, physicians routinely cut open the veins to drain what they believed was impure blood. They paired this bloodletting with the application of live leeches, and they administered harsh, violently active purgatives designed to completely flush out the body. None of these practices were rooted in empirical science. The orthodox medical establishment operated almost entirely on inherited tradition, lacking rigorous testing or any standardized direction. For the person lying on the examining table, the prescribed cure was frequently more agonizing and lethal than the original illness. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann was a German physician fluent in 7 languages, and he watched his peers repeatedly inflict severe harm on those they were supposed to heal. Unwilling to continue this type of treatment, Hahnemann abandoned his active medical practice. To support his family, he relied on his linguistic skills and began translating foreign medical texts. While translating William Cullen's Materia Medica, Hahnemann encountered a specific claim that cinchona bark, the source of quinine, cured malaria simply because it had a bitter taste. To Hahnemann, the logic was entirely hollow. Instead of translating the passage and moving on, he decided to test the claim directly. He boldly stepped out of his role as a translator, becoming an experimenter by actually ingesting the bark himself. Hahnemann was a perfectly healthy man, yet he took 4 drams of cinchona bark, twice a day, meticulously recording every shift in his own physiology. Soon, his body reacted. He developed a sudden fever, deep chills, and severe exhaustion, the exact physical symptoms of the disease the bark was supposed to cure, malaria. This diagram illustrates his resulting deduction. If a specific substance produces a set of symptoms in a healthy person, administering that same substance to a sick person suffering from those exact symptoms will trigger the body to cure itself. Hahnemann established this as his first fundamental principle, the law of similia. In Latin, similia similibus currentur, like cures like. Hahnemann's observation suggested a different approach. Rather than attacking the body to purge an illness, he proposed using a substance that mirrored the patient's symptoms to stimulate a recovery. To scale his research, Hahnemann created the doctrine of drug proving. He and his students systematically recorded the effects of 90 different substances, ranging from common vegetables to toxic chemicals, on healthy volunteers. But administering toxins like belladonna posed a massive clinical risk. To prevent organ damage, he developed the law of minimum, stating that the smallest possible dose would yield the safest therapeutic effect. This chart demonstrates a process he